Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to this channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. All right guys, as you can tell with the title of this video, today we'll be talking about this lovely blonde unit from Hairivi. Okay, I absolutely love this with her. Probably about, this is probably the fourth time I've worn her. I really wanted to get in and get a good feel for her. I'm to show you up close how she looks. Hopefully it'll zoom in. Okay, so the hairline, I do not have this glue down. The hairline, it looks phenomenal. You can tell on this side, I don't have her glued down or hairspray down, but I wanted to show you how phenomenal the hairline looks, girl. Hairivi every time comes through. This is my second Hairivi unit. It's worth every single penny, okay? Hey guys, it is Brandy from the future. And I just wanted to show you guys because I lost the footage from when I originally purchased and how it was beautifully wrapped and all the things that came in it. I deleted it somehow. But anyways, I want to show you guys up close. I'm not gonna glue it down, but I've had this wig since June of this year. So July, August, September, October. It's 5 months. It's November now when I'm recording this. I freshly washed this unit. But I wanted to show you guys the lace color. Basically undetectable, okay? But that's it on my skin when I put it down. Let's see if I can zoom you in a little bit. Okay, that is the lace, girl. I mean, obviously if you're real close you can see it, but from a distance, can't see it. Okay, my hairline, the wig hairline. My hairline, the wig hairline. Hairivi, okay? Hairivi does it again, okay? It came with about this much lace in the front. I will let you know the color that I chose of lace, probably cappuccino, if I'm not mistaken. But I just braided it because when I originally got it, the waves were loose waves. They weren't as wavy as I was wanting it to wave. So today I just did, after I washed it, I put some the Dew, let's see, Most Def, if y'all can see that, Most Def texture foam in it, just so it would capture some of that wave a little bit better. And I'm just gonna wear it like this tonight. I'm not really a bust down middle part kind of girl, but I'm gonna bust down middle part it today. But yeah, I just want to show y'all just one more time. My bra strap is right here. So this is my bra strap and it goes a little past my bra strap. Again, it says 16 inches, but girl, it's giving 18, okay? I just love this color. It's not that honey blonde. It's actually like the true blonde, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, absolutely love this unit. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm trying to think of anything else. It smelled great when I got it. Doesn't shed. It doesn't, I think I said this already, but it doesn't hold a curl as much. But if you put a little hairspray on it, you know, she'll hold a little curl, hold a little wave, whatever, girl. But, let me zoom in one more time. But as you can see, I mean, this is my hair right here. So I'm just going to push it back behind my ear. But it does have, if I was to glue it down, because I wore it to a wedding maybe a couple months ago, or a month ago. And I'll insert that picture here on the side of the screen so you guys can see it. Let me move to the side. Into that picture here, and I sprayed it down with the Bronner Brothers. Okay, black owned. The Pump It Up Gold Super Hold by Bronner Brothers, black owned. Love this stuff for wig spray. It's not as messy when you put it on, but it makes the hair hold. So it has a super hold, but it's less mess. And it's less crunchy than like the Even spray. So I highly recommend this if you're looking to spray down your wigs. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Out of breath, girl. But yeah, this is it. I'll show you y'all a couple of pictures here. This is another one from earlier this summer when I wore it and I curled it. Anyways, I think I've said enough. If y'all have any questions, leave in the comments below. This wig is pricey, okay? It's pricey, but I saved up for it, okay? I saved up for several months because I really wanted this wig, all right? But anyways, yeah, all right, that's it. Let me get you guys back to whatever I was saying in the other portion of the video. Bye, girl. The curls hold, they'll probably hold maybe a day or two. It doesn't hold curl as long as the other Hairivi unit, which I'll leave an iCard above so you can see that one that I wore to my wedding last year. This hair color, I feel it looks great on my skin tone. I'm looking at my viewfinder over here. This is how it looks in daylight. It's not quite an ash blonde, but it's not honey blonde. I will let you know all the details, stats here on the screen. Absolutely love this wig. Oh, this is 16 inches, but it feels more like 18 in my opinion. So stretched out, it comes maybe almost below my bra line. And I am 5'4" for reference, just in case. But I want to show you her on, and then I want to show you how long she is. And this is like the bottom of my bra is right here, so she probably goes a little bit, probably mid-back for me. She's definitely a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, so I definitely could have probably done a 14-inch, but absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that kind of show and tell of this unit. Absolutely gorgeous, and I'm gonna be rocking her all summer, fall, and probably into the winter as well, girl. Absolutely love it. My wig collection is finally complete for now, unless I get any sponsorships. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. But Hairivi, holler at your girl, okay? Holler at your girl. All right, anyways, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.